Hi, Tom Hugard here from tradertom.com and live trading on my Telegram channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about some criticism I received. Specifically, I want to address some criticism I received from the way that I trade in my Telegram channel. So if you want to see for yourself how I trade, then go to tradertom.com and click on live trading or contact me in Telegram on @TomHugard. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to evaluate my reckless trading style against facts and address the criticism that I have received. So this criticism comes from Gareth. Now I want to say something first. No one's going to go through life without being criticized. And I generally tend to acknowledge positive feedback with a thank you and negative feedback with a let's see if there's anything I can learn from this feedback. So with this in mind, let me show you the criticism I received. This is criticism from a gentleman called Gareth. I have blanked out his surname out of respect for him. Tom, I'm leaving your group. Okay, that happens a fair bit. It is not my intention to be rude. Okay, that's a good start. But I would like to say what I think. Please do. We live in a democracy and I value your opinion. I have observed your group for years, from when there were just a few thousand members. I think all the things I have learned are based on the realization I never want to trade or conduct myself like you. I think your need to perform in public and your obsession with flexing your, guess that's pound, dollar size, does far more damage to new traders than good. Your P&L swings and style of trading is not suitable to 90% of newer traders, and you're risking glamorizing taking extreme risks. Most people will never have the mindset to lose big in the morning, then double down in the afternoon to make it back. You're setting a really bad example. I don't believe there's malice in your actions, but your needy persona and your wish to be seen as a trading legend is a dangerous personality trait. I wish you well in the future, thank you. But I would like you to consider the new traders watching you for the first time recently who try to emulate your trading style. They're going to get that should sit on your conscience. What I want to address are the following points. My need to perform and my obsession with flexing my pound size and damages new traders. I also want to address my P&L swings and that is not suitable to 90% of newer traders. I also want to address that his accusation that I risk glamorizing taking extreme risks, as well as him accusing me of setting a really bad example, and also address my needy persona and my wish to be seen as a trading legend, and his conclusion that that's a dangerous personality trait, and that should sit on my conscience that I am not setting a good example. I'd like to address each point. So here we go. So Gareth says that I have a need to perform. And he's absolutely right. I do need to perform. If I don't perform, I don't eat. That's pretty simple. I actually need to go out in the market. I can't sit on the fence. I can't write about it. I can't read about it. I have to actually risk my own money in order to make money or lose money. Nevertheless, I actually do need to perform. This is a performance profession. I don't have the luxury of drawing a monthly paycheck. I need to be in the market. Now, I'm not going to make excuses about what my trading size is. I've traded for 2 decades. Over those 2 decades, you don't progress in your trading size. Well, then there comes a point where you may ask yourself, am I actually doing the right thing, or is it even worth me trading? Maybe I should just focus on something else. If after 2 decades you're still trading a very small size, then maybe trading is not really for you unless you just enjoy trading small size. I, on the other hand, actually do relish the mental challenge of increasing my trading size, and I've worked very deliberately towards escalating my trading size into higher and higher stake size so that I am able to make more and more money. I won't make any excuses about that, but I don't think that I am damaging new traders just because I show the trading size that I trade. In fact, I could turn it around and say, would you take me seriously if I was trading one lot? If I did what I did with all my experience and I was just trading one lot rather than 300 lots, would you take me as seriously? I'm not sure people would, but hey, at the end of the day, the Telegram channel truly is just a reflection of what a professional trader is doing, nothing more, nothing less. I'm going to argue that what I do is exactly the opposite of what's damaging to new traders. What I'm doing is I'm raising the bar of what is possible as a trader in the market. But just consider this. Take a look at some of the trading books that I found on Amazon moments ago. There is no shortage of trading books, trading books, trading books, trading books, all showing perfect examples, all after the fact, and more trading books. And if that wasn't enough, you also have trading courses, trading courses, trading courses, trading courses. I'm arguing that being a trader is darn hard work. I'm also arguing that trading books for most points are pointless. Yes, they'll teach you about technical analysis, but that's a bit like teaching you about a sports car. But you don't truly learn to put a sports car to its limit without driving it. You can't read your way to it. You can't think your way to it. You have to actually be in the car. And so I ask you this, wouldn't it be nice to have a race car driver show you what's possible and you draw inspiration from that? You see, that's what the Telegram channel is all about. It's about leading the way so that those who follow me are able to see what is possible when you have the right mindset. I handpicked a handful of the biggest brokers in the world. Top one is CMC Markets. 69% of all their clients are losing. IG Markets, widely considered the biggest CFD broker in the world. 71% of all their clients are net losers. Markets.com, 68%. eToro, 68%. Oanda, 76%. Plus 500, 73%. When I was at university, a first-class honors degree meant that you had more than 70% on average on all your exams. Here, best we have is 68% of loser. In fact, I'm arguing that if trading was a university, it would be shut down. That's how bad the performance is. So I ask you this. If trading is so easy that all you have to do is take a weekend course or read a couple of technical analysis books, why do we have a 70% average failure rate? Just goes to show that it might not have anything to do with technical analysis. And that is exactly what I'm trying to portray in my Telegram channel. My technical analysis knowledge is fine, just fine, quite adequate. What sets me apart has nothing to do with my ability to read charts. Nothing. It's got everything to do with what's going on up there when I am trading. And that is the point that I believe Gareth might be missing. I argue that new traders are damaged by the very nature of the education they receive, be it from books on technical analysis, from overhyped weekend courses, creating the illusion that trading is really easy, from brokers' educational material, or YouTube sensations, YouTube gurus. See, the focus is always on after the fact charts. You will rarely, if ever, see losing trade examples, whether it's in courses, whether it's in books or on YouTube videos. No one ever makes a YouTube video saying, hey, look how spectacularly I lost here. And the entire focus is always on technical analysis, and there's no focus on mental preparation, none. So when I started the Telegram channel, I decided I wanted to be an antidote to all that perpetual bullshit that you're seeing out in the media world about trading. I wanted to be the person that actually showed other people that this is possible. And you can hold me accountable in real time. I won't charge for my channel. I have no agenda whatsoever except trying to be an antidote to the perpetual BS that we are seeing. So my need, as Gareth expresses it, is in fact not a need, but it is a desire to help. I don't have a need to perform, although I do need to perform in order to make money. I'm not incentivized or rewarded or any way or another for what I do on my Telegram channel. It's 100% free of charge. I've never asked anybody for a penny. I don't have affiliate agreements where I ask people to sign up with specific brokers. You can trade with whoever the hell you want to trade with. It doesn't matter to me. In short, there is total freedom from the viewer's perspective. They can do with the information that I provide as they wish. It's entirely up to them. However, having said that, I am not going to change my style of trading or my trading size to suit the people who view my live trading channel. I'm not gonna, but one thing I will not do is to dumb myself down so that it suits people like Gareth. I trade the size that I trade, and you trade the size that you trade. I like to think that the people who follow my channel do so because they want to benefit from the experience of a 2-decade veteran of the financial markets. And if they don't benefit, I'm sure they would leave. And considering I have 14,000 followers and the most views that any of my posts get is 4,000 views, I think it stands to reason that probably 10,000 have left for whatever reason. And that's fine. This game is not for everybody, apparently including Gareth as well. The next point I want to address is your P&L swings and style of trading is not suitable to 90% of newer traders. Now I don't know where that statistics are coming from. And I'm not mocking Gareth here. I really am not, because I respect his opinion. What I want to address is my P&L swings. So what I have done, and this is, by the way, public knowledge. You can go to my website and you can look at my trade statistics, or you can come to the Telegram channel and you can download the Excel spreadsheet that I provide daily. And I've done that. I want to show you something, what my P&L curve for 2022 looks like. And when I show you, I like to ask you, where is the drawdown? Where is the P&L swings? Here's my account. At the beginning of January 2022, my start capital was £250,000. And here we go, as we progress along the dates of January and February and March and April, just a steady, upwardly sloping P&L curve. Then I went on holiday, came back, went sideways, had an accident, don't want to talk about it. Sometimes old men should not be doing what I was doing. Granted, this is only up until the end of April. I am currently plus 46,000 for the month of May, bearing in mind that I've only traded 3 or 4 days combined in May because of my accident. To me, that is not a wild P&L swing. To me, that is a nice looking P&L curve. So I don't think to any extent that I'm setting a bad example with my wild P&L swings. But hey, judge for yourself. But the final thing that I want to address is what Gareth writes here. Most people will never have the mindset to, I believe he was writing, lose in the morning and then double down in the afternoon. But I'm just going to stick to most people will never have the mindset to. And that's exactly my point. Mindset. Mindset is everything in trading, which is the reason why I am publishing a book in a couple of months' time. In fact, as I am recording this video, the book is being printed. I think the first print is starting today. The book won't be available for another 2 months or so, but it is being printed. Best Loser Wins is all about mindset. It argues why normal thinking never wins the trading game. I did not want to write another trading book. There are plenty of trading books in circulation and we don't need another one. Certainly not from me. So I've written a book about the mindset and the mindset training that I do in order to do what it is that I do every single day. Gareth goes on to say that I'm setting a really bad example, that I am a needy persona, and I have a wish to be seen as a trading legend, and that is a dangerous personality trait, and it should sit on my conscience. What do you want me to say? It's one man's opinion. Am I setting a bad example? Then please leave the channel, because I don't want to be the one who's responsible for leading you astray. I like to think that my P&L is arguing for the contrary. But hey, it's in the eye of the beholder. I'm a needy person. I don't know. It's not a secret that I thought about quitting this project a long time ago. It actually started because I wanted a few of the people that I had trained in Denmark. I had a handful of people that came to a seminar in Denmark that I organized. And I wanted them to see what their mentor, their coach was actually doing. That's how it started. It started as a WhatsApp group with 10 people. I have never spent a dime promoting it. It's just word of mouth that has now grown to the group of 14,000 people in size. I trade live every single day. And I will have good days and I will have bad days. And I will trade big size because that is what I do. Don't ask a lion to become a tofu eating toddler. Because he's not. He's a lion. He's a predator. Apex predator. And that is what I am. And that is what I need to be in order to make a living from the market. Is that needy? Well, maybe. What I would like to do, shall we say, I do have a need to feel that I am making a meaningful impact in the industry that are full of people that are always showing you after the fact. So that is where need comes in. I'd like to guide people to something better. I have absolutely no desire to be seen as a trading legend. You have got me completely wrong. Couldn't care less if I turn up as a new market wizard or the market wizard that you never heard of. Quite frankly, no desire, honest to God. What I do have is a real desire to try and change the way people think when they're trading. And that is real. And I turn myself inside out on my Telegram channel every single day and trying to get you to think with the right mindset. And that does sit on my conscience. And that is why I am responding how I am. That's it. Judge for yourself. In fact, why don't you come to my Telegram channel and then you can judge if I'm being nerdy, needy, if I am having a desire to be a trading legend, or if indeed that I am setting a bad example, or if I am leading new traders astray. Judge for yourself. I'll see you there. You take care now. Bye-bye.